Hi guys, and welcome to another quick video tutorial here on the Kiki Manny Photography and Ormed blog. My name is Manny, and in today's tutorial I want to show you guys a quick technique how to speed up your workflow in Photoshop. Now I've also learned this technique from a good friend of mine, Calvin Hollywood, and let's get started. Okay, so as you guys most probably noticed in the previous tutorials, if I go to my menus here at the top, you can see that all my options are in color. Say for instance my main menu over here, adjustment, is in a red color, and my sub menu over here is in a yellow color or orange color. Yes, I colored my options because this helps me quite a lot if I Photoshop. Say for instance my selective color down here is in a orange color, and now if I'm working on an image and I know, okay, I need selective color, and I'll go through my menu to find selective color, not using a shortcut. I know exactly, okay, it has a color and I need to find it. Okay, so I'll go up to image, it's under adjustments, and there's the color. Oh yeah, it's selective color, and I found it really quickly and really handy for me. So in today's tutorial, I just quickly want to show you guys how to color your own menus and how you can do this. Okay, first step you will have to do is go back to edit here at the top, go all the way down to menus, and in menus you will have a new window which still look like this, keyboard shortcuts. You will have to go over to menus here, and in here you have a few options now. Okay, first it's still set to Photoshop defaults. If you want to, you can create your own defaults over here. Just create it in a safe location and save it under your name, whatever, say Manny's options or whatever. Okay, so say for instance here, menu for panel menus or application menus. Now just bear in mind that application menus are all these menus here out at the top, and panel menus are all your menus from the side here on the right, your workspace and your different panels. So we want to work in application menus for the start now. And in here directly you will see that it's file, edit, image layers, and so on, exactly like from the top, file, edit, image layers, and so on. So I want to go back to filter and say maybe in filter change my filter gallery back to green, because I work a lot with filter gallery and I want to have it in a shocking color. Then maybe blur, also change that to say yellow or something, just to make something different today. And that's my main menu, and in the sub menus change something back there as well. Okay, so let's get started. First I'll go all the way down to filters, tap on this small arrow, and you will see that all these options are open now. Okay, so I've got last filter, convert to smart filters, filter gallery, there we go. And over here you've got a few options now, or just two actually. You've got visibility, you can turn that on or off. So if I turn it off, you won't see that filter gallery anymore under filter menu over here. I still have to OK that, and then you won't see it again. Okay, so I do want to see that, so I'm going to turn visibility on again and change from red to green. So it's really shocking, and I know, okay, if I need filter gallery, it's under the green thing and I can find it really quickly. Okay, then I also wanted to change something in blur. I'm just going to move all the way down here. There we go, blur. And as you guys can also see, there's a small arrow right in front of it. So this is the main menu, and these are the sub menus. That's why it's also spaced like that. So you can just see, okay, that's my main menu, my sub menu. So if you're blending out your main menu now, change the visibility away, you'll see that all these other options have also disappeared and are not visible anymore. So just bear in mind, turn that on and turn your options down here off if you want to just see or just have 2-3 different options in here. Then I also wanted to change blur. I wanted to give that a red color, or here a different color from red to orange, change that to orange. And I said in the sub menu I wanted to give, say, Gaussian blur, I want to give that a blue color, so just this looks different today and is something new. Okay, go all the way down. Then I also saw down here pixelate. I never work with pixelate. I blended that out, changed the visibility to off. So I'm going to turn it on quickly just to show you guys now it will appear in my menu, and then afterwards I'm going to make it disappear again with the visibility off. Okay, so last step, you can still save that now in your safe location and save it under your name that you want to, and then when you're done, hit OK. Now directly you are done. All of that has been applied to your menu in your galleries, or in, say for instance now under our filter, you'll see that filter gallery has changed to green now, blur has changed to yellow from red, and in here Gaussian blur to blue. So this is really handy for me, and now I know, okay, if I'm working with Gaussian blur, it has a color and I can find it really quickly. So if I go back to filter, blur, cool, there is Gaussian blur, that's exactly what I wanted to work with. Nice, really quickly and easy. Down here you guys can also see pixelate. We've got this option now, and I don't really work with this option a lot, so I want to blend that out. So what I do, I'll go back to file, edit again, and I'll go all the way down to menus, and in menu I'll go back to my filter over here, and in filter go all the way down to find pixelate. There we go, pixelate, and in here only thing I have to do is pretty much tap the eye here and turn the visibility to off. Then okay, that directly will be overtaken to our gallery again, our filter menu here, and you will see that pixelate has disappeared. We don't have a pixelate anymore in here, and it just helps me because I don't have to go over it and see, okay, where are my other options. So that's the quickest way of how to change your menus. Now I also want to show you guys something else. In my workspace over here, if I tap in my layer palette, if I tap that right button over here, it will say new layer is in red, new group from layers, and convert to smart objects, because I work with these options quite a lot. So I change them to color as well, so I can just find it really quickly and don't need to read over all of these options. Okay, how to do that? That is pretty much the same way. Also go to edit, go all the way down to menus, and now in menus you will just have to choose from panel menus, not application, panel menus. Okay, in panel menus you will have to find layers, go all the way down to layers down here. I've got layers open already, and you will see that layers visibility is on again. You can also change visibility off to stuff that you don't use. And in color, I want to change new color here to red. Yes, I want to say maybe for the tutorial sakes now I'm going to change to orange. And the other things here, new group from layers, I change that to red, and also convert to smart objects in say maybe green, because I work with that quite a lot. You can save that again in a safe location if you want to, and okay that, and have a look. If I click on here directly, it changed, and it's just pretty awesome, because now I know if I'm looking for something, it's just over here on the color, convert to smart object. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay, pretty nice, and the quickest way of doing that. If you want to now, last step, you can also save that under your workspace, save it with the menus, with the keyboard shortcuts and everything, and the next time you will select your workspace, it will be selected with all of these options in again, and it's again to your workspace that are you used to working with and you are comfortable working. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Manny, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.